In this short video, we will show you how easy it is to convert your gas grill into a charcoal grill and smoker using a Napoleon cast iron charcoal and smoker tray. Remove the charcoal tray from package. Inspect for damage. Use quality lump charcoal for the best flavor and heat retention. Pour the charcoal into the tray, a generous amount. You can also add wood chips for extra flavor. Remove the cooking grids. Next, remove the sear plates. Place the charcoal tray directly on the burners. Reinstall your cooking grids. Turn the burner under the tray on high heat. Once the charcoal is lit, shut the burners off. Close the lid and allow the charcoal to preheat. After the grill has reached the desired temperature, you are ready to start grilling. Once you have finished grilling, do not remove the tray until the charcoal has completely cooled. Happy grilling!